Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I have a few entries sitting on my desk. I have not gone to my PO, so I will be going on Monday. So if your entry is not here or you haven't seen it, it will be up really soon. I just didn't have a chance to go yesterday, but I will be there on Monday, and whatever I get in the PO, I will definitely be filming, because this giveaway is coming to an end, you guys. August 16th, it's done. Winner will be chosen. So if you haven't gotten your entries in, you have a couple of more days. Make sure you do so. Link is down below for the giveaway and all the rules and all the good stuff. But let's get into these entries. So the first one that I want to show is from, this is a little card. How cute is this? Cute little umbrellas, and it says just for you. And this is from Norsa90 on IG. Oh, thank you, girly. She left me a little note there, and she submitted in for the challenge these super cute little mason jar shakers. I don't know if I can, I don't want to take them out, but look how cute. So pretty. And her little bag topper. So she sent those in. She sent this pretty little girl in. Look how cute. I always see a bunch of people cutting her out. So adorable. And then lastly, she sent me this cute little set. I think it's 3 of them. So you got the little butterfly, the little page, like little flag, and then a cute little banner one. So cute. Thank you so much, Norsa, for that. And then the next entry, this one is from Crystal. This is her little card, and she's cruising with Crystal on YouTube and on Instagram. Yeah, she's both the same thing. So her and her mom, which her mom is Needle on Point, Mildred, she also sent me an entry. Thank you, girls. So this is the little card, and this is Crystal's. Look how cute these embellishments are. Look at that bag topper. So pretty. I love that she used like these little plastic toothpicks. So creative. I love this. So cute. And look at these little flowers. Are they not the cutest? So pretty. Thank you so much for entering. And then this one is Needle on Point, which is her mom, Mildred. She sent me some mason jars as well. Look how cute. And the little bag topper. Keep calm and party on. Look at that. They're always so supportive. Thank you so much, girls. And then I have one more to show you guys, and that'll be it for today's video. It's short and sweet, but this is from Dina, and she's Mama Loves Disney. She sent me this super pretty box. Is this not cute? And you guys, look how pretty. Do you guys not see these beautiful flowers? So she made me 4 little flowers, and I'll show you them like this. So we got a purple one, like an off-white one, and then a mint green one, and a teal blue one. So pretty. These are perfect for like bag toppers, just to finish it off. But you guys, look at these rosettes that she sent me with these cute little dresses. How adorable are these? I love these. So cute. Thank you so much, Dina. These are so cute. She sent me 4 of them. Look at this yellow. I love them. And then that's not all. She sent me a memory dex card and some little extra goodies. She sent me some little flower, like a little acrylics, enamel dots or gemmies. And then she sent me a memory dex card. Isn't that cute? With Winnie the Pooh, which was my favorite growing up. I absolutely loved Winnie the Pooh. Even up to when I was in high school, I had Winnie the Pooh bedding. That's how obsessed I was with him. So cute. And she put all her information on the back. So cute. I love it. Dina, thank you so much for entering my challenge and sending over these amazing goodies. And thank you to Crystal, Mildred, and Norsa. I appreciate you girls so much. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.